Hello, students. I wanted to get on and create a recording for you all to just reinforce expectations for the assignments as well as clarify a few things as I'm noticing from your first couple assignments that you all have submitted um, this week. So the first and most important thing is to make sure that you are aware of the deadlines for all of your assignments because I do not accept any late work unless you have a documented excuse that will need to be approved by student affairs, academic affairs. So again, um, make sure that you are aware of all of the deadlines. That's the first thing. The second item I wanted to address is um, I don't think many of you are reading the instructions in detail. So I want to go over that with you all as you move forward in this class. So give me 1 second here to go to an example. I'm gonna go to assignment 2. Let's see. Give me 1 second. All right. Um, okay. So this is one of the assignments that you all submitted yesterday. Um, and as I'm grading them, I noticed that a lot of you all are not following the submission guidelines. So it is very important that you all read the submission instructions because I will not allow any resubmissions because you did not read everything in detail. Okay. So all of your assignments should be done in Word as a Word document. And that is how it should be submitted. You all, as students enrolled here at Clark Atlanta University, you have your student account with your Outlook email, um, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, all of that. So you have access to this. I do not accept PDF files. I do not accept Google Drive links, Google Doc links, screenshots. I don't accept any of that. It will be an automatic zero with no chance of a resubmission. It is your responsibility to make sure that you are reading everything in detail and that you have an accurate understanding of the expectations for each assignment. So you're going to go into Word, do your work, download it as a Word document, and submit. But one key thing that you are also required to do is to include the URL to your Word document. I'm going to show you all how to do that in a second. But I even created this link here so that you all know what to do. It says, do not forget to include the URL of your Word document at the bottom of the page. So as you are typing out your assignment, um, let's talk about the format. You all should have learned how to write in MLA format in College Composition 105. So you should know how to write a proper header. You should know how to double space your writing and everything in your document. So you need your name, the name of the class, which is College Composition 106. It's section 94. My name, Dr. Holloway, make sure that you spell that correctly. And then you need the date that the assignment is due. So if the date that it is due is today, the 23rd, you'll put the 23rd on your paper. You will not put the date that you actually work on the assignment, but the day that the assignment is due. You also need your last name and the page number. You can do that by going to Insert, click on Page Numbers. In MLA format, all page numbers should be at the top right of the page. You'll click on that, type in your last name, and then it'll automatically generate the page number for you. Then the content of your assignment needs to be double spaced as well. So you clearly go to line spacing, I'm sorry, and click on the number 2. That indicates that you want everything to be double spaced. You don't want it in 1.15 or 1.5, you want it in 2. Okay. Now, once you are done and you've completed everything, you are going to go to the share link, the shared icon here. Click on that, click share. You can either type in my email address, find me here, copy link, or you can simply just make sure that your file is open for our network here at CAU, and apply that. Okay. You can click copy link. You'll exit out of there at the bottom of the page, and you'll paste the link here. This allows me to go into your document to see that you are the one who is actually writing this assignment. You haven't purchased this assignment from anywhere. It's not generated from some software, some other platform. You are the one who's doing the work to uphold your academic integrity. This is another requirement. So again, it's the small details, but they have a major impact on your grade. So for something that's 10, 20, 30 points, you don't want to get a 0 simply because you did not follow directions, which is why reading is key for all of your assignments. So there are a few of you all who are kind of missing the mark this week when it comes to following directions. I'm giving you a pass for the assignments that you submitted yesterday. But moving forward, there will be no resubmissions because you simply did not read the instructions. All right. I'm here in my office at Haven Warren, room 130D. I'm here most days. My office hours are Tuesdays and Thursdays from 10 to 1, I think. And then I'm also available via email, mholloway@cau.edu. You can find that on the course syllabus. Again, if you need help, any clarification on anything, reach out to me in advance of the deadline. If the paper or whatever assignment is due at midnight, do not reach out to me at 5 p.m. that evening and expecting me to respond. That's not enough time. Make sure that you reach out at least a day or two in advance so that I can make sure that you are successful in completing your work accurately and that you have a clear, comprehensive understanding of what is being taught in the course. All right. So I want you all to pay attention to the small details. Okay. That's your challenge moving forward to the next couple of assignments. Pay attention to the details and be proactive in reaching out if you need help. Okay. Again, I am here. I'm actually here at work today until 3 o'clock. And then I'll be back on campus tomorrow from around 12 to 4. So if you need to or want to stop and meet in person, we can set up a time to do that. But again, I'm here to make sure that you all are successful, but I need you all to do your part in being critical thinkers and readers, making sure that you are doing the work to the best of your ability, submitting everything on time, to make sure that you have a successful learning experience because this is an asynchronous course, so we don't have that designated time to spend and talk about everything that we would have if we were meeting in person. So, again, just make sure that you understand everything before you actually submit your work. And if you need clarification or help, just let me know. All right. So, y'all have a good rest of your day, and this will be posted shortly.